Hey, hey guys. Today I'm gonna clean my bird's water. It's kind of dirty. I'm gonna replace the bad water with the clean water, and let me show you my bird. Her name is Mrs. Grumpy. Funny name, right? And these two, oh my god, why are they in my bunny's little box? Oh my god, okay. That's Sunny, and that's Charlie. Say hi, Charlie. Charlie's a girl, and Sunny is a boy. So yeah. Alright, so anyway, now what's further to do, I'm gonna clean my bird's water, replace it. There it is. It's quite so dirty. There it is. Oh, oops, then I just accidentally knocked it down. Whoops. There you go. And we have a bunny named Snowball. I guess he's taking a nap right now. He is. Okay. So now I'm gonna put it back up on, and there you go. Water supply completed. Woohoo! Okay. So now when my birds run out of their food, I'll be making another video. I'll making a food. See, yeah. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Okay, if you don't subscribe in the next 10 seconds, you will lose all your pets. Alright, you have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom, guys, you did it. Your pets are now back. See? You saved your pets' lives. See? And okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!